Good afternoon, students. Welcome to Sanvi Learning Services. I'm your Hindi teacher, myself Babu sir. Okay, students, and belated Happy New Year. I hope you enjoyed well. You celebrated very grandly. Okay, then come to the topic. Please tell me, anybody, in the last session, what we have taught. कोई भी बताओ, लास्ट क्लास में हम लोग क्या पढ़ चुके थे? ई फातिमा, Fatima, did you attend the last class? No? Okay. Anybody? Raise your hand. Okay, dear students, बताओ जल्दी. Akbar, did you present last day? Yes? Very good. Do you have idea in what we taught in the last session? Right, please unmute yourself. Okay, tell me.
Kankan ka adhikari.
Kankan ka adhikari we explained.
Completed, sir, lesson.
Completed. Then next again what we have done? Fifth lesson did we start?
I don't know, sir.
You didn't present?
No, sir.
This Lokgeet. Now? Okay. Okay, Akbar. And I thought like मुझे क्या लग रहा है उन्मुखीकरण, उद्देश्य, विधा विशेष, कहानी, लेखक परिचय और विषय प्रवेश भी समाप्त हुआ. शायद हम लोग it is ready to enter the chapter. I am thinking. Did you present last day? Okay, okay. देखेंगे और कोई शायद आप प्रेजेंट नहीं हुआ होगा, कोई दूसरा विद्यार्थी. Please put on your camera, everybody. सब लोग अपने कैमरा को ऑन करो. Try to understand. Meghana. Meghana, did you attend the last class? Okay. Smritika, did you present last session? Yes. What we taught?
Sir, we didn't start Lokgeet lesson, sir.
It's a beginning now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. शबनम, आजकल तुम क्लास में दिखाई नहीं दे रही हो. प्रेजेंट हो रही हो? Okay. Smritika, I will talk to you later. Fatima, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
बच्ची, हाँ, read this उन्मुखीकरण. डरो मत। फातिमा, एक मिनट एक मिनट। हाँ, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ फातिमा। क्या हुआ? यू कांट अनम्यूट। एक मिनट रुको, कुछ प्रॉब्लम है शायद। आदिल, मेरा आवाज सुनाई दे रहा है तुम्हें? आदिल निजामाबाद, कैन यू हियर मी? आदिल, फातिमा मेरा आवाज सुनाई दे रहा है तुम्हें? नहीं? साई साकित, कैन यू हियर मी? दिखाई दे रहे के लिए नहीं पूछ रहा हूं मैं, मेरा आवाज सुनाई दे रहा है? यस, ओके। ओके, साई साकित, अनम्यूट। गुड आफ्टरनून। साई साकित, दिस उन्मुखीकरण रीड।
मेहंदी है रचनी वाली, हाथों में गहरी लाली, कहे सखिया अब खलिया, हाथों में सीखने वाली है,
खिलने वाली
तेरे
है।
मन को, हाँ सॉरी, हाथों में खिलने वाली है, तेरे मन को जीवन को नई खुशियां मिलने वाली है।
क्या बता सकते हो इसका अर्थ? ट्राई करो।
सर शादी के समय
हाँ,
वो संगीत होते हैं ना सर, उस समय कई महिलाओं के हाथों में रंग मेहंदी
रचाते हैं।
हाँ रचाते हैं।
ओके,
वही समय उन सब लोग महिलाएं वो बातचीत कर रहे हैं कि क्या हम अपनी जीवन उन उस मेहंदी कितने अच्छी सुंदर दिखते हैं, और रचना होने के समय
हाँ,
उसी तरह के क्या पति आपको मिलेगा जैसे।
ओके, पॉइंटेड, बट कौन बताएगा वो पूरा? जैसे शादी में संगीत फंक्शन होती है, पूरे लड़कियां अपने हाथों में मेहंदी लगाते हैं, जैसे
हाँ
जो लड़की का हाथ बहुत गहरा लाल होता है उसे एक
हाँ
अच्छा सा पति मिलता है करके वो बड़े लोग कहते हैं, लेकिन
हाँ,
कौन किसे कहते हैं?
नहीं समझ रहे सर।
Who will tell? Between them they are saying you will get a good husband when your hand become like a full reddish.
नो, अदर्स विल टेल, लाइक एल्डर
Others,
पीपल,
others
बड़े बुजुर्ग,
telling to whom they are saying?
टू ग्रूम।
No, boy, you're confusing bridegroom.
नो सर, आई एम अनेबल टू अंडरस्टैंड यू।
Sorry, bride.
सर कम अगेन, आई डिडंट गेट यू सर।
Then a bride, दुल्हन को, పెళ్లి కూతురు.
yes, yes, sorry.
What boy? Recently we
Right
completed in
mistake,
class
bride,
also, no?
bride.
ओके डियर
Yes,
स्टूडेंट,
yes.
देखो एक बार मैं पढ़ता हूँ,
I
आप
did get
समझने की कोशिश करो।
confusion in bride and groom.
हाँ यस यस सर, ओके। मेहंदी है रचने वाली, हाथों में गहरी लाली, कहे सखियां अब कलियां हाथों में खिलने वाली हैं, तेरे मन को जीवन को नई खुशियां मिलने वाली हैं। सो इसका अर्थ होता है, ये एक जुबैदा नाम के पिक्चर में से लिया गया है। सिनेमा का नाम क्या है? जुबैदा। जुबैदा सिनेमा से लिया गया एक छोटा सा गीत, जैसे एक दुल्हन को सजाते समय that some girls will decorate to a bride, no? समझ में आ रहा है आपको? పెళ్లి కూతుర్ని స్నేహితులు చెలికత్తెలందరూ కలిసి లేదంటే స్నేహితురాళ్ళు అందరు కలిసి ఒక పెళ్లి కూతురును తయారు చేసేటువంటి సమయంలో ఆ స్నేహితురాళ్ళు, ఆ ఫ్రెండ్స్ వాళ్ళు ఆ స్నేహితురాలకి పెళ్లి కూతురుని ఆట పట్టిస్తుంటారు. లైక్ దే విల్ విత్ ఫన్ దే విల్ ఎంజాయ్ విత్ బ్రైడ్. దట్ మీన్ నీ చేతులు చాలా ఎర్రగా వండాయి కాబట్టి నీకు మంచి భర్త వస్తుంటాడు, ఇక మీదట నీకు అన్ని సంతోషాలే నీ జీవితంలో ఉంటాయి, ఆనందాలే నీ జీవితంలో ఉంటాయని ఆ పెళ్లి కూతురు యొక్క స్నేహితురాళ్ళందరూ కూడా ఆమెను నవ్వుతూ ఆట పట్టిస్తుంటారు. చెలికత్తెలు, వీ కెన్ సే నో ద ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఓకే, హూస్ ఫ్రెండ్స్? ద బ్రైడ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, పెళ్లి కూతురు యొక్క స్నేహితురాళ్ళు. దెన్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ హియర్? మెహందీ హై రచనే వాలి. మెహందీ మీన్ ద కోన్, మైదాకు. మైదాకు అనేది ఏంటిది? చేతులకు కాళ్ళకు పెట్టుకునేది కదా, చేతులకు పెట్టుకునేటిది. మెహందీ హై రచనే వాలి, क्या लगाता है? रचाता है. जैसे it will be like to keep on hands and to our foods also, sorry, what we can say, like हमारे एडी, what we can say, direct పాదం, అరకాలు, అరికాలు కింద కాళ్ళకు చేతులకు ఈ మైదాక్ అనేది పెట్టడం జరుగుతుంటుంది. సో ద సెకండ్ లైన్, హాతో మే గహరీ లాలి. గహరీ మీన్ ద డీప్, లాలి మీన్ రెడ్డిష్, చాలా ఎర్రగా పండుతుంటుంది, అంటే ఎక్కువ ఎరుపు రంగులో ఆ యొక్క మైదాక్ అనేది కనిపిస్తుంటుంది, కోన్. సో అప్పుడు కొంచెం వయసులో పెద్దగా ఉన్న వాళ్ళు ఏం చెప్తుంటారు? అమ్మమ్మలు, నానమ్మలు, కొంచెం అప్పటికి పెళ్ళి అయిపోయిన తర్వాత 40 లైక్ ఏజ్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు, మన మదర్ లాంటి వాళ్ళు ఏమంటుంటారంటే ఆ పెళ్లి కూతుర్ని కాస్త ఆట పట్టిస్తుంటారు తనకి సంతోషాన్ని కలిగించడానికి. ఏ ఆడపిల్ల చేతులైతే ఎర్రగా పండుతాయో ఆమెకి మంచి భర్త లైఫ్ లోకి, ఐ మీన్ లైఫ్ పార్ట్నర్ గా వస్తాడు, ఒక గుడ్ హస్బెండ్ షీ విల్ గెట్. లైక్ దట్ దే విల్ టాక్ విత్ ద ब्राइड. आई एम राइट और रॉन्ग? आपको समझ में आ रहा है जो मैं कह रहा हूं? ओके, सो कहे सकिया, देन दे आर एक्सप्लेनिंग अगेन, ओ माय डियर फ्रेंड, अब कलियां हाथों में खिलने वाली हैं. अब तेरे जिंदगी में अनेक प्रकार के खुशियां आने वाली हैं. నీ జీవితంలో ఇంకా అన్ని మంచి రోజులే వస్తాయి. ఎలా? తెరే మన్కో, నీ మనస్సును సంతోషపెట్టడానికి, అలాగే జీవన్కో, నీ జీవితంలో చివరి వరకు, నీ జీవితంలో చివరి వరకు ప్రతి క్షణం, ప్రతిరోజు నీ యొక్క మనస్సుకు, నీ జీవితానికి ఆనందాన్ని కలిగించేటువంటి సందర్భాలే వస్తుంటాయి అని ఆ పెళ్లి కూతురుని కాస్త ఆట పట్టిస్తుంటారు. ఆట పట్టించడం అంటే లైక్ గేమ్ లైక్ నాట్, బట్ దట్ ఈస్ ట్రూ యాక్చువల్లీ, ఇట్స్ ఎ కామన్. ఓకే, అండ్ నై ఖుషియా మిల్నే వాలి, నీ మనస్సుకు, నీ జీవితానికి అనేకమైనటువంటి కొత్త కొత్త సంతోషాలు కలుగుతాయి. దేవుడు నీకు మంచి సంతోషాలను ఇస్తాడు, మంచి ఆనందాన్ని ఇస్తాడు అని ఆ పెళ్లి కూతురుతో అంటుంటారు. అఫ్ కోర్స్ he not will tell only the friends, even family members also will tell, like a brother will talk to his sister, చెల్లెమ్మ నీ చేతులు చాలా ఎర్రగా బండినాయి కాబట్టి నాకు మంచి బావ వస్తాడు, అతను నిన్ను ఎప్పటికి కూడా చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంచుతాడు. అమ్మ నాన్న కూడా అంటుంటారు, నా చిట్టి తల్లికి అని, బంగారం అని. your father and your mother will call to you like some nickname, good names. ఓకే, ఇట్స్ ఎ కామన్ థింగ్. అంటే ఆ పెళ్లి కూతురు యొక్క మనస్సుకి ఆనందాన్ని కలిగించేటువంటి విషయాల గురించి ఈ యొక్క పాఠంలో మనం ఉన్ముఖీకరణ అనేటువంటి చిన్న పద్యం ద్వారా మనం నేర్చుకున్నాం. ఇట్స్ క్లియర్ ఎవ్రీబడి? రైట్. సో యా, బిసైడ్ 3 క్వశ్చన్స్ have given. हाथों में शेख हुसैन 490. Sit properly. शेख हुसैन 490. Please sit properly. See, इससे भी पहले मैं आप सबको रिक्वेस्ट किया था, under Trustma what we are giving the classes 6 to 9, 10th online classes, it is getting freely. it is not that mean everything is our wish. If this is the classroom, will you sit in that particular way? Will you behave with your teachers in that particular way? No, no. So हमारे क्लास में हम लोग कैसे गौरव से बैठते हैं, हमारे अध्यापकों को, हमारे टीचर्स को किस तरह हम लोग रेस्पेक्ट करते हैं, वही रेस्पेक्ट आपके घर के द्वारा हमें चाहिए. That mean we are not ordering, just it is a common thing, no, to respect elders and teachers, parents. थोड़ा अच्छे से बैठकर पाठ सुनो, यही हम लोग कह रहे हैं, no. This is only, it is not order. It's like a politely, I'm saying, just you sit properly and listen. And in that, we are 10th. Each and every lesson, it is a very, very useful us. Okay. Sheikh Hussain, please don't think negatively. I'm suggesting you. Okay. So here 3 questions are given. Just I will ask the 3 questions now. Please tell me that. According to this now, what I explained. हाथों में क्या रचने वाली हैं? Tell me, actually this is Unmukhikaran, it is a student work, not a teacher work. Okay, Akbar, बताओ, हाथों में क्या रचने वाली है?
हाथों में मेहंदी रचने वाली है.
Very good. Okay, it is a common and a silly answer, small answer, not a problem. Sir, what is that, sir? I'm not a first class student. It is a small question. Okay, not a problem. But in that way is their question. The second question, please. इस तरह के गीतों को क्या कहा जाता है? इस तरह के गीतों को क्या कहा जाता है?
गीतों.
Like this song, sir. What we can say according to that lesson? According to the song, what we can say? Which type of song that? ये कैसे, कौन सी प्रकार के गीत है?
समझ नहीं आया सर.
हाँ, okay. See, I will explain you. Just you listen. Smritika, 100% you will tell. Not necessary. Okay. Shabnam. Akbar, please mute yourself. हाँ, good afternoon. शबनम, दूसरा प्रश्न तुम्हारे लिए. इस तरह के गीतों को हम क्या कहते हैं? No need to confuse. Actually, the answer is there in front of you. Of course, in front of me also. On the screen is there at that answer. According, like what we can say to like this songs. मेहंदी है रचने वाली, हाथों में गहरी लाली, कहें सकियां अब कलियां हाथों में खिलने वाली हैं, तेरे मन को, जीवन को नई खुशियां मिलने वाली हैं. सो इस तरह के कुछ गीतों को, गानों को कौन से प्रकार के गीत कहते हैं? जस्ट थिंक, थोड़ा से सोचो, टेंशन की जरूरत नहीं है. See, I am explaining, I am giving clue. On the screen, there is an answer.
Lokgeet.
Yes, yes, yes. Lokgeet, our title name. Lokgeet mean what?
Yes.
What is the meaning of Lokgeet? In English, what we can say Lokgeet? For example, now so many, I will explain you. There is one song is there, Shantabai. Okay, don't laugh. Huh? What type of song that? Folk songs.
Yes.
You're not thinking, but very easy. You know everything. Lokgeet, we can say in English, folk songs, and Telugu we can say like a Janapada Geetalu. Now in Batkama time, okay, no need to tell. Now third question for you only. किन किन संदर्भों में लोकगीत गाए जाते हैं? अब बताओ. किन किन संदर्भों में लोकगीत गाए? हाँ बच्चे.
Festivals time.
हाँ, त्योहारों के समय. और
शादी के समय में.
Yes, शादी के समय. Already is there Unmukhikaran here, no? there is one example now this poem, शादी के समय, त्योहार के समय और
त्योहार के समय।
हो गया। और जन्मदिन के शुभ अवसर पर। देन एनी स्पेशल ओकेशन, कुछ शुभ अवसरों पर, लाइक जन्मदिन कार्यक्रम में, शादी के समय में, त्योहारों में। त्योहारों में ये लोकगीतों को किस तरह उपयोग करते हैं? कौन से त्योहार में लोकगीत का ज्यादा उपयोग करते हैं, बताओ?
Farming time they are singing this.
या इट इज करेक्ट, फार्मिंग टाइम आल्सो। किसान जैसे खेतीबाड़ी करते समय भी लोकगीतों को उपयोग करते हैं। ओके, क्वेश्चन, त्योहार के समय लोकगीत उपयोग करते हैं ज्यादा से ज्यादा, कौन से त्योहार में लोकगीतों का ज्यादा उपयोग करते हैं?
बतकम्मा संक्रांति।
या दैट्स इट, करेक्ट, दसरा, बतकम्मा। बतकम्मा के समय में, आजकल के जमाने में बतकम्मा गाना कौन नहीं गा रहे? बतकम्मा को बाजू में रख दिए, डीजे शुरुआत किए, हाँ, डीजे को स्टार्ट किए, पूरे फोक सॉन्ग्स, ओके, डिफरेंट सॉन्ग्स। ओके, यू मुस्लिम, मे बी यू नो, आई डोंट नो, आई डोंट नो। ओके, गुड। सो इस तरह के गीतों को क्या कहा जाता है? लोकगीत कहा जाता है। और किन किन संदर्भों में लोकगीत गाए जाते हैं? जैसे अनेक संदर्भों में लोकगीत गाए जाते हैं, जैसे त्योहारों के समय, खेतीबाड़ी करते समय, जन्मदिन के कार्यक्रम के समय, और कुछ शुभ अवसर पर, लाइक शादी के समय। ओके, इस तरह हम लोग का अनेक संदर्भों में लोकगीत गाए जाते हैं। ओके, गुड। नेक्स्ट, उद्देश्य, कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ द लेसन। निबंध विधा से परिचित कराते हुए निबंध लिखने की प्रेरणा देना, लोकगीत लिखने के लिए प्रेरित करना इसका उद्देश्य है। क्या बता रहा है कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ द लेसन में? उद्देश्य बोले तो क्या है? कॉन्सेप्ट। ये लेसन का कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है? निबंध विधा से परिचित कराना। निबंध मीन एसे, like a general essay, you know, essay method. This lesson, it is a like a essay method of lesson. Okay, but do you know, already maximum people have written up to now so many essays in kinds of languages, Telugu, Hindi, English. Okay, different concept on, we written so many general essays, and it is a discourse, no, one of the discourse. Okay, so निबंध विधा से परिचित कराते हुए, so प्रत्येक रूप से आप विद्यार्थियों को निबंध के बारे में बताना जरूरी नहीं है, क्योंकि आप सबको मालूम है निबंध क्या है। Do you know how to write a general essay and what is a general essay? Telugu we can say vyasam, in Hindi nibandh, in English essay writing. There is a 5 marks question. Okay, right. So कोई भी बताओ essay का नियम क्या है हिंदी में? Anybody? What is the rules of essay method, like essay? जैसे ये प्रश्न तुम्हें पूछा गया है एसएससी बोर्ड 2021 तुम्हारे बैच में, तो इससे कैसे लिखेंगे आप लोग? Anybody? Already previously I have explained. तुम लोग लिख चुके थे। What happened? कोई तो बताओ। क्या हुआ? श्रीहिता रेड्डी, तुम प्रयत्न करोगी? एस्से का नियम क्या है? Will you tell? Yes. Okay. Unmute yourself, Srihita Reddy.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Tell me, what is the rules and regulations of essay writing?
प्रस्तावना,
Okay.
विषय विश्लेषण, उपसंहार।
Okay. प्रस्तावना, विषय विश्लेषण,
उपसंहार,
ओके,
लाभ नष्ट,
good. Again, previously I have explained, no, this all. Okay, see, once again I'm telling, excellent, okay, nice. Prastavna, first point, next vishay, second point, vishleshan, तीसरा लाभ, like merits and demerits or advantages or disadvantages, okay, लाभ, नष्ट, सुझाव, suggestion, like student opinion, okay, छात्र का अभिप्राय, तुम लोग कैसे भी लिखो, सुझाव, और लास्ट में उपसंहार, conclusion, okay, and prastavana, that means beginning, and upsamhar, like a conclusion. The beginning and conclusion should be short and sweet. छोटा सा रहना लेकिन महत्वपूर्ण रहना. Okay, good. So इस तरह आप इन नियमों का पालन करते हुए निबंध लिखने में आपको परिचय कराना. तो आपको तो मालूम है कैसा लिखना. So ये पाठ का उद्देश्य आप भी अपनी जिंदगी में अनेक प्रकार के निबंध लिखने के लिए प्रेरित करना. जैसे एक टीचर स्टूडेंट को मोटिवेट करना, निबंध का रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस, कौन से नियम है उसको नियम को बताना. अभी तक हम लोग जो बातचीत कर चुके थे. ओके, एंड निबंध लिखने की प्रेरणा देना, लोकगीत लिखने के लिए प्रेरित करना इसका उद्देश्य है. ये पाठ का उद्देश्य क्या है? हर एक छात्र कुछ ना कुछ एक टॉपिक, छोटा सा आपका मनपसंद टॉपिक लेकर, एक विषय लेकर, वो विषय के अनुसार जो अभी तक हम लोग का निबंध के नियम बताए, वो नियमों का उपयोग करते हुए आप निबंध लिखने में कामयाब होना है. ये पाठ का उद्देश्य. ओके, राइट. विधा विशेष लोकगीत कैसा पाठ है? श्रीता रेड्डी.
निबंध सर.
ये पढ़ो, विधा विशेष, रीड दिस.
लोकगीत निबंध पाठ है. निबंध का अर्थ है भावना, सुंदर और उचित शब्दों के द्वारा भावों की प्रस्तुति ही निबंध है.
प्लीज टेल मी दैट. क्या समझ में आया आपको? नथिंग टू वरी, आई एम इज देयर. ट्राई. गुड. विधा विशेष, द information of a method. What method? General essay method. Then what is a general essay? That is only here. Okay, up to now we explained what is that. When we are going to write the general essay, there is a rules are there, like the 7 type of rules are there, we explained. Now again with that, what necessary? That is only विधा विशेष. Please, लोकगीत एक निबंध पाठ है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द लोकगीत, इट इज अ जनरल एसे मेथड ऑफ लेसन. ओके, निबंध का अर्थ बांधना. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ बांधना? ट्राई.
इकट्ठा करना.
इकट्ठा करना मीन इट इज अ मीनिंग विल कम लाइक कलेक्ट, नो? हाँ, बांधना, टू टाई. ओके, कट्टड़म, यसा नो, लाइक रस्सी बांधते हैं. कुछ రెండు తాడులు తీసుకొని మనం గడుతుంటాం కదా, ఏదో ఒకటి, లేంట బట్టలు ఆరేయడానికి దండం కట్టడం, ఏదో ఒకటి. అది కాకుండా తెగిపోయినటువంటి ఒక దారాన్ని కట్టడం. బాంధనా మీన్ టు టై. బట్ వాట్ షుడ్ బి టై హియర్? क्या बांधना हमें? ఏం కట్టాలి మరి? అకార్డింగ్ టు దిస్ విधा विशेष हियर गिवन दैट नेक्स्ट आंसर, सुंदर और उचित शब्दों के द्वारा भावों की प्रस्तुति ही निबंध है. ओके, निबंध का अर्थ बांधना. ఎస్సే అంటే ఏంటిది? ఒకదానికి ఒకటి కట్టడం. ఏం కట్టాలి?
सुंदर और उचित शब्दों को बांधना.
सुंदर और उचित शब्दों के द्वारा. ओके, सुंदर मीन ब्यूटीफुल वर्ड्स. देन उचित शब्द मीन उचित शब्द. सुंदर मीन ओके, the beautiful words we have to collect, we have to take and tie, that mean 1 to 1. Okay, then what is the meaning of uchit shabd? Telugu also there, no? Uchita padalu, అందమైనటువంటి. Please, I am not getting properly your voice.
संदर्भ के अनुसार जो शब्द,
संदर्भ के अनुसार according to situation, okay, are suitable words,
suitable.
okay, according to situation. And I'm getting a doubt, somebody helping you. Yes, I'm right. So please use your brain, not others. Okay. Okay, not a problem. Thank you, Srihita. Okay, so सुंदर और उचित शब्दों के द्वारा भावों की प्रस्तुति ही निबंध है. So if when we are going to take a beautiful topic, a good topic, according to the topic, for example, we are going to take a great topic like important of women, like a mother, sister, or there is a one woman empowerment, then महिला की शक्ति के बारे में. So उस समय कोई दूसरे शब्द like we are going to take another topic words like a men, एक पुरुष के संबंधित टॉपिक, वो सही हो सकता है? नहीं. సో మనం ఒక స్త్రీ గురించి రాసినప్పుడు ఆమెకు సంబంధించినటువంటి ఒక ఇంపార్టెంట్ వర్డ్స్ తీసుకోవాలి కదా. సో सुंदर और उचित शब्दों के द्वारा भावों की प्रस्तुति ही निबंध है. ओके ओके, नाउ लेखक परिचय. भगवत शरण उपाध्याय हिंदी साहित्य के रचनाकार हैं. इनका जन्म सन 1910 में हुआ. इन्होंने कहानी, कविता, रिपोर्टाज, निबंध, बाल साहित्य में अपनी विशेष छाप छोड़ी है. विश्व साहित्य की रूपरेखा, कालिदास का भारत, टूटा आम, गंगा गोदावरी आदि इनकी प्रसिद्ध रचनाएं हैं. सो कवि परिचय के बारे में ज्यादा रूप से बताने की जरूरत नहीं है, आपको मालूम है. कवि का नाम भगवत शरण उपाध्याय है और हिंदी साहित्य लाइक लिटरेचर ऑफ हिंदी, ओके, हिंदी लिटरेचर में ये बहुत फेमस व्यक्ति है, जैसे सुपरिचित रचनाकार है, वेल नोन पर्सन इन द हिंदी लिटरेचर. ओके, इनका जन्म सन 1910 में हुआ, 1910 इन 1910. और इनके द्वारा इनके जो भी महा कार्य, जैसे इनके कलम से फैले हुए कुछ विषय, जैसे ही इज अ ग्रेट राइटर लाइक कहानी, कविता, कहानी मीन स्टोरी राइटर, कविता मीन ही हैज रिटन सो मेनी पोएम्स, एंड रिपोर्टाज जैसे एक न्यूज़पेपर के संबंधित जो भी विषय को हम लोग टाइप करते हैं, ओके, रिपोर्टाज. एंड निबंध like essay method, there is a one example like in front of us now this particular lesson like a लोकगीत, okay, and बाल साहित्य like चल राइम्स, छोटे बच्चे के कुछ राइम्स रहते हैं ना, ओके. सो अनेक प्रकार के भाषाओं में छोटे बच्चे के राइम्स रहते हैं, ओके, जैसे इन इंग्लिश जॉनी जॉनी यस पापा, ओके, इट इज अ वेरी वेरी वेल नोन पोएम, ओके, वो छोटे बच्चों के लिए है, ओके. सो उस तरह इस तरह के कहानी, कविता, रिपोर्टाज, निबंध, बाल साहित्य में अपने विशेष छाप छोड़ी है. सो इनका पूरा महत्व हम लोग देख सकते हैं ये महाविषयों में, जैसे उनके कहानियों के द्वारा, कविता के द्वारा, रिपोर्टाज के द्वारा, निबंध के द्वारा. ये निबंध पाठ है, ये पाठ को हम लोग पूरी तरह पढ़ेंगे तो उनका महत्व हम लोग जान सकेंगे. और उसी तरह हम इनके द्वारा रचना किया गया कुछ रचनाएं हैं, लिखी गई कुछ रचनाएं हैं, जैसे विश्व साहित्य की रूपरेखा, कालिदास का भारत, टूटा आम, गंगा गोदावरी आदि इनकी प्रसिद्ध रचनाएं हैं. इनके द्वारा अनेक प्रकार की रचनाएं हुई हैं. उनमें से कुछ रचनाएं हमें ये कवि परिचय में दिया गया है, जैसे 4 प्रकार की कवि रचनाएं दिया है, जैसे विश्व साहित्य की रूपरेखा, कालिदास का भारत, टूटा आम, गंगा गोदावरी आदि इनकी प्रसिद्ध रचनाएं हैं. इन कविताओं के द्वारा भगवत शरण उपाध्याय को एक अच्छा नाम भी मिला और भी दुनिया में ये महाशूर बन चुके हैं, जैसे फेमस हो गए, ओके. सो इस तरह हम लोग का कवि परिचय पढ़ चुके हैं, ओके. और इससे पहले मैं बताया था पूरा हमारे हिंदी में 12 कवि परिचय हैं. 12 कवि परिचय में अब 2 कवि परिचय निकाल दिया गया है. देयर इज अ वन दक्षिणी गंगा गोदावरी एंड वन मोर जल ही जीवन है, 11th चैप्टर, ओके, श्री प्रकाश. दक्षिणी गंगा गोदावरी का कवि का नाम काका कालेलकर और श्री प्रकाश का जल ही जीवन है कविता का कवि श्री प्रकाश. ये 2 कवि परिचय निकाल दिया गया है, मतलब सिलेबस को कम किया गया है, ओके. अब विषय प्रवेश में हम लोग जाएंगे. हमारी संस्कृति में लोकगीत और संगीत का अटूट संबंध है. मनोरंजन की दुनिया में आज भी लोकगीतों का महत्वपूर्ण स्थान है. गीत संगीत के बिना हमारा मन रसा से नीरस हो जाता है. प्रस्तुत निबंध में भारतीय लोकगीत का वर्णन बड़े ही सुंदर ढंग से किया गया है. क्या बता रहा है यहाँ? हमारी संस्कृति में लोकगीत और संगीत का अटूट संबंध है. There is a strong relationship between in Indian culture between what? Between music, classical music and folk songs. Okay, क्या बता रहे यहां? हमारे भारत देश की संस्कृति में संगीत का और ये लोकगीतों के बीच में एक प्रकार का महत्वपूर्ण गहरा रिश्ता है. ओके, सो मनोरंजन की दुनिया में आज भी लोकगीतों का महत्वपूर्ण स्थान है. जैसे इस दुनिया को अपने गानों से रंजित करने वाले संगीत और ये यहाँ लोकगीत में हम लोग दोनों में फर्क देखेंगे तो अनेक प्रकार के शुभ अवसरों पर, शादियों में, त्योहार में, जन्मदिन के कार्यक्रमों में, इस तरह अभी तक हम लोग जो बात किए, हर समय में भी मनुष्य को मनोरंजन करने वाली क्रियाएं हैं. कौन से प्रकार की संगीत, कौन से प्रकार के गीत के द्वारा इंसान मनोरंजन हो रहा है? लोकगीत. ओके, folk songs, it is taking a great place than human being entertainment life. Okay, so इंसान के entertainment life में ये लोकगीत एक महत्वपूर्ण क्रिया निभा रही है. जैसे आपके भाई का या बहन का शादी हुआ, समझो आप डीजे लगाएंगे तो कौन से गाने को आप ज्यादा प्रेफर करते हो? सिनेमाओं के गीतों को या प्राइवेट सॉन्ग्स, लोकगीतों को? सो मैं क्लास में अपने बच्चों को बताता हूं. एग्जाम्पल, देयर इज अ वन सॉन्ग अप टू नाउ आई सेड शांताबाई. उसमें क्या मीनिंग है भगवान को ही मालूम है. कुछ भी मीनिंग रही है, लेकिन पूरा होने के बाद द वर्ड विल कम शांताबाई, देन एवरीबॉडी विल ऑन द फ्लोर. सो उसमें मीनिंग है या नहीं अलग बात है, लेकिन प्रजाओं को ज्यादा से ज्यादा मनोरंजन ऐसे लोकगीतों के द्वारा है. उन लोग अपने मनोरंजन प्राप्त कर रहे हैं. They're getting a lot of entertainment with these folk songs comparing to movie songs even. Yes or no? So इसीलिए जैसे इंसान की जिंदगी में अगर गीत संगीत नहीं रहेंगे, if there is a no song and songs in human being life, then human being will the person will continue his life with fully of happiness? Never. वही बता रही है दूसरा लाइन में, सेकेंड लाइन में, गीत संगीत के बिना हमारा मन रसा से नीरस हो जाता है. ओके, प्रस्तुत निबंध में भारतीय लोकगीत का वर्णन बड़े ही सुंदर ढंग से किया गया है. फिर उतना महत्व क्या है संगीत को? सो हम लोग 9th में गाने वाली चिड़िया, आपको याद है? देयर इज वन सॉन्ग लेसन, गाने वाली चिड़िया. द बर्ड विल गो फ्रॉम पैलेस. यस और नो? उस समय क्या होता है? महाराज अस्वस्थ होता है. म्हणजे एक संगीत को इंसान को बचाने की क्षमता भी है. जैसे हम लोग कुछ सिनेमाओं में देखे थे, जैसे संगीत के द्वारा पेशेंट को भी हम लोग थोड़ा ज्यादा तंदुरुस्ती बना सकते हैं, उनके दिल का बोझ कम कर सकते हैं. और स्टूडेंट लाइफ में एक इंसान या विद्यार्थी की जिंदगी में भी जब हमारे दिल में और दिमाग के ऊपर, दिल के ऊपर, दिमाग के ऊपर जब ज्यादा से ज्यादा बोझ पड़ता है, तो एक दो गाना, हमारे जो मनपसंद गाना है, संगीत है, वो सुनेंगे तो हम लोग थोड़ा हल्का होंगे. That means we get some relaxation with the music. Yes or no? जब तुम लोग पढ़ कर या लिख कर थक जाते हो, तब संगीत के द्वारा कुछ आराम प्राप्त कर सकते हैं. And everybody will like songs and music, especially bathroom singers. हर एक व्यक्ति की जिंदगी में वो कॉमन चीज है. खेती बाड़ी करते समय, जैसे शबनम ने बताई थी, लोग गीत को कब यूज करते हैं? खेती बाड़ी जैसे काम करते समय. हम लोग अनेक प्रकार के काम करते समय कुछ गाना गाते हुए काम करेंगे तो वो समय कैसा गुजरता है पता ही नहीं चलते हैं. और जैसे घर में फॉर एग्जाम्पल देयर इज 2 sisters हेल्पिंग टू हर मदर, देन छोटे मोटे गाना गाते हुए काम करेंगे तो वो पूरा समय जल्दी जल्दी गुजर जाता है और काम का बोझ भी हमें पता नहीं चलता है. सो उतना महत्वपूर्ण शक्ति है. ओके, संगीत से कुछ प्रकार के जीव भी नृत्य करते हैं, जैसे सांप, नागिन. यस और नो? और संगीत से कुछ अकॉर्डिंग टू साइंस, संगीत से पेड़ पौधे को भी ठीक तरह से बढ़ा सकते हैं करके है, लेकिन वो कैसा मुझे भी नहीं मालूम. संगीत के द्वारा वही गाने वाली चिड़िया में हम लोग देखते हैं. शिशुर्वेत्ति पशुर्वेत्ति वेत्ति गाना रसम फनी. देयर इज अ कोटेशन. छोटे छोटे बच्चे रोते हैं तो उनको रोते समय उनको संभालते हैं छोटे छोटे गाने गाकर. लोरिया वी कैन से. यस और नो? और चांद को दिखाकर एक छोटा सा गाना गाकर बच्चे को, बेटियों को, म्हणजे छोटे बच्चे को खाना खिलाते हैं। सो इस तरह बात करेंगे तो संगीत को अनेक प्रकार की शक्ति है। वो क्या है, कैसे हैं, ये पार्ट में हम लोग कौन से प्रकार के लोकगीत के बारे में या लोकगीत के महत्व के बारे में कैसे जानेंगे, ये पूरे अगले क्लास में हम लोग देखेंगे। ओके, तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद, नमस्कार। एंड फिफ्थ लेसन प्लीज कंप्लीट CW. ओके, and if you have any doubt, please ask me in the next session. Thank you everyone.
Good afternoon, children. How are you all? Welcome to Sanvi Learning Services. So today we are going to discuss about polynomials. So the last exercise, today we are going to end up this chapter. Okay. So in previous class, we have discussed exercise 3.4 some problems. Okay. And the rest of the problems today we are going to discuss. So exercise 3.4, all of you see the exercise 3.4. Okay, see here, exercise 3.4. So here it is given. In this exercise 3.4, we have completed the first bit in previous class. So now, so this exercise 3.4, the remaining problems, now we are going to solve. See the second bit, it is given that check in which case the first polynomial is the factor of the second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by the first polynomial. Okay, children, here see two polynomials are given. The first polynomial is t square minus 3 and the second polynomial is 2t power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 90 minus 12 is given. Okay, so what is saying? Check this first polynomial is the factor of the second polynomial. It means when we divide this second polynomial by the first polynomial, so if we get 0 at last, then the first polynomial is the factor of the second polynomial. Okay. Now let us divide and check whether it is factor of the polynomial or not. Okay, children. Now observe the board carefully. So exercise 3.4, second bit. Already division problems we have discussed in previous class, how to do the division of polynomials. Now, so let us see the division. Exercise 3.4. Exercise 3.4. Second bit. Okay. So let us see what is given the second bit. Let the given polynomials be. So bigger polynomial you take as P of X. Okay. So here the bigger polynomial is given 2t power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t squared minus 9t minus 12. Okay. And the smaller polynomial you take as g of x. Okay. So what is given here? T square minus 3 given. T square minus 3. G of x, it is given t square minus 3. Okay. So bigger polynomial you take as P of x, smaller polynomial you take as g of x. Why? Because so every time we will divide the bigger polynomial by the smaller polynomial. Okay. So now divide this bigger polynomial by the smaller polynomial. So first of all, before dividing, we have to check whether the given polynomial is in standard form or not. Okay. Standard form is nothing but power should be in descending order. Okay. So if we observe the powers here, t power 4, next t cube, t square, t power 1, and the power of constant number is always 0. So here the powers are in descending order. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So this polynomial is in standard form. If any term is missed, means we have to write in that place. Suppose t term is not there. In that place, we have to write 0t. Suppose t square term not there. So in that place, you have to write 0t square. Okay, already in previous class, we have discussed it. Now it is already in standard form. It is not necessary to change anything. Okay, so now start division. So 2t power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. Okay. Now this polynomial we have to divide by t square minus 3. T square minus 3. This. So we have to divide this polynomial. Okay, children. So now start division. Already we have discussed in previous class how to divide this polynomial. So to divide this, we have to follow some steps. So now let us see. So with these steps only, we have to we will get the solution. Okay, children. So what is first step? We should take the first term of dividend and first term of divisor. Okay, same like previously we have solved. So here the first term of dividend is 2t power 4. Okay, first term of dividend is 2t power 4. And the first term of divisor is t square. So we have to divide 2t power 4 by t square. Okay. So when we divide this, see here, t power 4 means 4 t's are there, and t square means 2 t square t's are there. It means 4 t's and here 2 t's will go. So again, how much will be here? 2 as it is, and here t square will be. It means when we divide the first term of dividend and divisor, we get 2t square. Okay. Now, so with this 2t square, we have to multiply the entire divisor. So what is the total divisor? T square minus 3. Okay. So when we divide 2t square by t square minus 3, what we get here? So 2 write as it is, t square into t square, we get t power 4 minus symbol as it is, and 2 3s are 6 t square as it is. Okay, it means when we divide by 2t square, the whole divisor, we get 2t power 4 minus 6t square. Okay, so now this 2t power 4 minus 6t square right here. So already we have discussed it. So which term down should write that term only. Okay, so t power 4 term down, we written t power 4 term. T square term down, you should write t square term only. Okay. Archana have done very good, Archana. So very good, excellent. So right, Archana, you are right, very good. So now we have taken, so which term down, that term only should write, and by what number we are multiplying, that number should write in quotient. See here we are multiplying by 2t square, no? So this 2t square write in the quotient. Okay. So when we write this 2t square in the quotient, compulsory we have to write by what number we are multiplying, that number we are writing the quotient. Okay. Now we have written, now subtract them. So when we subtract them, the symbols will be changed here. So here plus 2t power 4 is there. This plus symbol becomes minus, and here minus 6t square is there. This minus symbol becomes plus. Okay. So once we change the symbols, we should consider only this new symbols. Okay, children. Now here plus 2t power 4 minus 2t power 4 get cancelled. Now what is the remaining here? 3t cube is there. 3t cube. Okay. And here see minus 2t square plus 6t square. It means 6t square minus 2t square, we get plus 4t square. Isn't it? 6 minus 2 we get 4 only now. So the same way 6t square minus 2t square is equal to 4t square. Okay, subtraction completed. So after completing subtraction, immediately we have to take the next term here. What is the next term here? Minus 90 is there. So take minus 90 here. Okay, children. So up to here, first step is completed. Okay. Now, second step. Okay. So enter into second step. In second step, again, same continuation, same process. Okay. So again, we should take the first term of dividend. Now dividend is this one. Okay. This is the dividend. So here the first term of dividend is 3t cube is there. So take the first term of dividend, that is 3t cube. Okay. So the first term of dividend is 3t cube by the first term of divisor is t square. Now multiply, divide them. Here t cube means here 2 t's will cancel. Again, the remaining is 3t will be. Okay. So by this 3t, we have to multiply the total divisor. Okay. So by this 3t, when we multiply t square minus 3, let us see what we get. So 3 is the constant number, right, as it is. T into t square, we get t cube minus 3 3s are 9 t. So when we divide 3t, when we divide by 3t, we got 3t cube minus 9t. So this plus 3t now. So this plus 3t right in the quotient. Okay, it is plus 3t. We are multiplying. So this plus 3t right in the quotient. And what result we have got right here? So we have got 3t cube minus 9t we have got. Okay, children. So which term down? That term only should write. Here t cube term down, t cube we have written. T term down, we have written t term. Okay, now symbols will be changed. Here plus symbol becomes minus, and here minus symbol becomes plus. Okay, so now plus 3t cube minus 3t get cancelled. Now what are the remaining? 4t square is there. And here see plus 9t minus t 9t is cancelled. Okay, so subtraction completed. Now after completing the subtraction, immediately we have to take the next term here. Okay, so what is the next term here? Minus 12. Okay, take the next term. So up to here, second step is completed. Okay, now enter into third step. So when we enter into third step, in third step again same process should follow. Okay. So now take the first term of dividend. Now what is dividend in this? So this is the dividend. 4t square minus 12 is the dividend. So take the first term of dividend, that is 4t square, and the first term of divisor is t square. Okay. So t square can cancel. So what is remaining here? 4 is the remaining. Okay. So by this 4 we have to multiply the total divisor. Right. So now by this 4 we have to multiply the total divisor, that is t square minus 3. So when we multiply by 4 into t square we get 4t square minus 4 into 3, 4 3 is a 12 we get. So now here we are multiplying by plus 4, no? We are multiplying by plus 4. So this plus 4 write in the quotient. Okay, plus 4 write in the quotient, and the what we have got when we divide it, 4t square minus 12 we have got. Okay. Now subtraction. So when we subtract, the symbols will be changed. Here plus symbol becomes minus, and here minus symbol becomes plus. Now see here, plus 4t square minus 4t square get cancelled, and here also plus 12 minus 12 get cancelled. So at last what we have got? We got remainder 0, isn't it? At last we have got remainder 0. Again we cannot continue the division. Why? Because here already all terms are completed. Okay, up to last term we have taken and we have done the division. Okay, so at last we have got remainder 0. Okay, so like this, if we get the remainder 0, now what is our conclusion? Therefore g of x is the, it means g of x means t square minus 3. G of x is the factor of p of x. Okay, our conclusion is g of x is the factor of p of x. P of x means which we have taken bigger polynomial. Okay, so by g of x we divided now. So when we divide by g of x, see here. So we have taken p of x is the bigger polynomial, g of x is the smaller polynomial. So when we divide this g of x, when we divide this p of x by g of x, at last we have got remainder 0. So when we get remainder 0, so then we can conclude that g of x is the factor of the p of x. Okay, children. Suppose if we will not get remainder 0, g of x is not the factor of the p of x. Okay, so very important, children. So the remaining problems you complete them. Okay, children. Again, 2 more problems are there in this. So that remaining 2 more problems same as this. You divide it. So check whether we get remainder 0 or not. If we get remainder 0, then it is the factor. Otherwise, it is not the factor. Okay, children. So now let us see the next question. Third bit. It is very important, children. Third bit. So many times asked in examination. So here what is asking here? Obtain all other zeros of 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. If 2 of its zeros are root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. Okay, here a polynomial is given. Okay, so we have to find all other zeros, and 2 of its zeros are given root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. Okay, children, see here what is the degree of this polynomial? 4. Why? Because highest power 4 is there. So the degree of this polynomial is 4. So if the degree is 4 means we get at least 4 zeros. So in that already 2 zeros are given. So we have to find the remaining 2 zeros. Okay. Now let us see how to find the remaining 2 zeros. All of you look at the board and write the question. This question is important, children. So many times asked for 4 marks. So listen carefully. third bit, third question. So first of all, you take the given polynomial as P of X. Okay. So write, let the given polynomial, let the given polynomial, let the given polynomial be, suppose we are taking as P of X. Okay. So what is the given polynomial? Let us see. 3x power 4, 3x power 4 plus 6x cube plus 6x cube minus 2x squared minus 10x minus 5. This is the given polynomial that we are taking as P of X. Okay. And let the given two zeros you take as X. So X is equal to root 5 by 3 and another 0 also, X is equal to minus root 5 by 3. Okay. So now see here, when we take the two zeros as X, see here, X is equal to plus root 5 by 3, first 0. So this plus root 5 by 3 send this side, it becomes minus root 5 by 3. Okay, here how much will be? 0 will be. And here also, this minus root 5 by 3 bring this side. It becomes plus root 5 by 3 is equal. Here how much will be? 0. Okay. So both of them, both values are equal to 0 now. Now write together. It means x minus root 5 by 3 into x plus root 5 by 3 together is equal to 0. Why? Because both are is equal to 0. So we are writing together is equal to 0. So now if we observe this, it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. Okay. If we observe this, it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So we all know that a minus b into a plus b formula is a square minus b square. Okay. So a minus b into a plus b formula is a square minus b square. Already you have learned in previous classes. Okay. Now apply this formula. Okay. So a minus b into a plus b formula is a square minus b square. So when we apply this formula, a square minus b square. So here in the place of a, x is there. In the place of b, root 5 by 3 is there. So the formula is a square minus b square. So a square means x square minus b square means b in the place of b, root 5 by 3 is there. So b square means root 5 by 3 whole square. That is equal to 0. Okay. Now see here, square root get cancelled. Okay. Square root get cancelled. Now what we get here? X square minus 5 by 3 is equal to 0. Now here fraction is there. Now take LCM to simplify this. So here 3 is the LCM. Why? Because denominator 3 is there. So when we take LCM, we have to multiply each and every term by LCM. So x square into 3 minus 5 by 3 into 3. Okay. That is equal to 0. Now x square into 3, 3x square minus here 3 get cancelled, 5 by 3 is equal to 0. Again to simplify this 3 send this side. When this 3 send this side, here 3 is dividing, and when we send this side, it will multiply. Okay. So 3x square minus 5 is equal to, this side 0 is there, and when we bring this 3 this side, it will multiply 0 into 3. It means 3x square minus 5 is equal to 0 into 3, 0. Right? So when we take two zeros, root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3, so we got a smaller polynomial. Okay. Now we have to divide this polynomial. Okay, so on dividing, p of x by this polynomial 3x square minus 5. Okay, we get. So now divide it and say them. So what is the p of x here? The p of x is 3x power 4. P of x is 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 is the p of x. So we have to divide this p of x by this polynomial. Okay, 3x square minus 5. Okay, so division again, same process. We have to follow some steps while dividing. So steps, first step. So we have to take the first term of dividend and divisor. The first term of dividend is 3x power 4. The first term of dividend is 3x power 4 and the first term of divisor is 3x square. Okay, so when we divide them, what we get here? So here 3 get cancelled, x power 4 x square cancel, and here how much will be? X square will be. So by this x square we have to multiply the total divisor, that is 3x square minus 5. 3x square minus 5. So when we multiply by x square, let us see what we get. X square into 3x square, we get 3x power 4 minus x square into 5, we get 5x square. So we are multiplying by x square, no? So this x square write in the quotient, and the result, what result we have got? So 3x power 4 minus 5x square we have got. So that right here 3x power 4 minus 5x square. Which term down? That term only should write. Okay, children? 3x power 4 minus 5x square we have got, no? So that you write here and subtract them. When we subtract them, the symbols will be changed. Here plus symbol becomes minus and here minus symbol becomes plus. Okay, so here plus 3x power 4 minus 3x power 4 get cancelled. Now the remaining value is 6x cube. Okay, and here see minus 2x square plus 5x square. It means 5x square minus 2x square is equal to plus 3x square. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Okay, subtraction is completed. Now after completing subtraction, immediately bring this term here, that is minus 10x. Okay, now enter into second step. Okay, so up to here first step is completed. Now enter into second step. So in this second step, again same process we have to follow. So here now this is the dividend. So in this, the first term of dividend is 6x cube and the first term of divisor is 3x square. Okay, so now divide them. So here 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, and here x cube, x square cancel. So how much will be here? 2 will be, and here one more x will be. So we have, when we take the first term of dividend and divisor, and when we divide them, we have got 2x. So by this 2x, we have to multiply the total divisor, that is 3x square minus 5. So when we divide it, 2 3s are 6, x into x square, x cube, minus 2 5s are 10, x. Okay, so we are multiplying by plus 2x. Okay, so this plus 2x write in the quotient. This plus 2x write in the quotient. And what result we have got? 6x cube. We have got 6x cube minus 10x we have got. 6x cube minus 10x we have got. So write it and subtract it. So symbols will be changed. Here plus symbol becomes minus. Here minus symbol becomes plus. Okay. So plus 6x cube minus 6x cube get cancelled. Now the remaining values 3x squared, and here plus 10x minus 10x also cancel. Okay, subtraction completed. The remaining 3x squared we have written here, and subtraction is completed. So after completing subtraction, immediately you take the next term here, that is minus 5. Okay, right. Second step also completed. Now enter into third step. Okay, so in this third step again we have to continue the same process. So here this is the dividend now. So take the first term of dividend and the first term of divisor. So 3x square get cancelled. We get 1. Okay. So by this one we have to multiply the total divisor, that is 3x square minus 5. So when we multiply it, we get again same 3x square minus 5 we get. Okay. So by plus 1 we are multiplying, no? So this plus 1 write in the quotient. Compulsory we have to write by what number we are multiplying. So now we multiplied by plus 1. So that plus 1 write in the quotient, and the result what we have got 3x square minus 5 right here. Subtract them. See here plus 3x square becomes minus, and here minus symbol becomes plus. Okay. So here plus 3x square minus 3x square get cancelled, and here plus 5 minus 5 get cancelled. So what we have got here? Remainder 0. We got remainder 0. Okay. So division is completed. Okay, division is completed. Now, actually what we have to find? We have to find the remaining 2 zeros we have to find out. Okay, total 4 zeros will be for this polynomial. So already 2 zeros are given, root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. Remaining 2 zeros we have to find out. Okay, so to find that remaining 2 zeros, so what quotient we have got, this quotient you take, and from this quotient we get again 2 more zeros. Okay, so as we have to find the zeros of this polynomial, so take this polynomial x square plus 2x plus 1. Let x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Why we are equating to 0 means we have to find the zeros now. So to find the zeros, we have to equate the zeros. So by factorization, we can find the zeros. So to do factorization, we have to multiply x square coefficient. Okay. So we have to multiply coefficient of x square into constant term. So here x square coefficient means x square side number 1 is there, into constant number also 1 is there. So 1 into 1 is equal to, we get 1. Here middle term how much is there? 2 is there, no? So to get the middle term 2, the factors of 1 are 1 into 1. So when we add 1 plus 1, we get 2. It means this middle term 2, we write as 1 plus 1. Okay. So using these factors, now this, when we split this middle term, x square plus this 2x we write as 1x plus 1x by using this factor 1 plus 1. Okay, and plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we splitted the middle term. Now take the common. See in first two terms, what is common? In first two terms we can observe that x is common. Okay, so when we take common x, here one more x will be plus, and here 1 will be plus, and in the next two terms, first symbol plus is there, plus symbol you take common, and here we can take common 1. Why? Because in this one is there, in this one is there. So when we take common 1, so here x will be plus, here 1 will be, nothing will be, it means 1 is there. Okay. So now x plus 1 double is there in bracket. So x plus 1 take again common, and the remaining factor is also x plus 1. That is equal to 0. Here together is equal to 0 is there. No? It means write separately. It means it is x plus 1 is equal to 0, or one more x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. So finding zeros are nothing but finding x values. So here we have to find x values. So plus 1 send this side, it becomes minus 1. Or here also this plus 1 send this side, it becomes minus 1. Okay. So x values we have got minus 1 and minus 1. So this minus 1 and minus 1 are the remaining two zeros. Therefore, minus 1 and minus 1 are the remaining two zeros. Minus 1 and minus 1 are the remaining two zeros of the given polynomial P of x. So here he asked that find the other two zeros. Find the other zeros he asked. So these are the minus 1 and minus 1 are the remaining two zeros of the given polynomial. Okay, children. So this is the solution. So very important it is. So many times asked long question for 4 marks. So all of you practice perfectly and get full marks. Okay. And in the same way, same as this, you do this example. Same like this problem, one example is given. See, exercise 3.4 before, example 11. Okay, children, this example 11, same as this. So you do this problem, same as this. Okay. Now, let us see the next problem, fourth one. On dividing x cube minus 3x squared plus x plus 2 by a polynomial g of x, the quotient and remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Find g of x. It means here p of x is given. Okay. So p of x is dividing. On dividing this p of x by a polynomial g of x, the quotient and remainder were. Quotient and remainder is given. Quotient is given x minus 2. Remainder is given minus 2x plus 4. So what is asking? G of x is asking. Okay. So now let us see how to find this g of x. This problem also very important, children. So listen carefully. Now, fourth question. Given. So first polynomial, bigger polynomial, every time we will take as p of x. Okay. So take the given polynomial as p of x. P of x is equal to, it is given p of x is equal to x cube minus 3x squared plus x plus 2. Okay. And g of x, g of x not given, no? Quotient and remainder is given. Okay. Quotient given q of x. Quotient denoted by q of x. Quotient is given x minus 2. And remainder is given. So remainder we denoted by r of x. That is minus 2x plus 4. So what is asking here? G of x is asking. Okay. G of x is equal to question mark. Okay. So now here you use division algorithm. What is division formula? dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So this is the division algorithm, children. So dividend we denoted by P of x. Divisor we denoted by G of x. Into quotient we denoted by Q of x. Plus remainder we denoted by R of x. It means, so the division algorithm is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. So this is the division formula. And if we express in polynomials, P of x is equal to P of x is equal to G of x into Q of x plus R of x. Okay, children. Now substitute the values in the formula. So therefore, so what we get here? P of x. P of x how much given? X cube minus 3x square, x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 given is equal to G of x not given, G of x write as it is into Q of x given, it means the quotient, it is given x minus 2 plus R of x remainder is given, that is minus 2x plus 4. Okay. Now we substitute the values in the formula. So first of all, this minus 2x plus 4 you bring this side. Okay, why? Because we have to find G of x, you know. So this 1 by 1 term you have to bring this side. Okay. So here this side already x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 is there, no? So this minus 2x and plus 4 bring this side. When this minus 2x bring this side, it becomes plus 2x. And this plus 4 becomes minus 4 is equal to, here how much will be? G of x into x minus 2 will be. Why? Because this minus 2x and plus 4 we brought this side. Now simplify this. So x cube minus 3x squared. See here 1x plus 2x. We get 3x. And 2 minus 4 minus 2 we get. That is equal to G of x into x minus 2. Okay. So we need G of x, you know. So this x minus 2 bring this side. When this x minus 2 bring this side, what will happen? X cube minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 2. Here x minus 2 is multiplying here. So when we bring this side, it will divide. Okay. So by x minus 2, that is equal to G of x. Okay. So it means, therefore, G of x is equal to x cube minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2. Okay, G of x is equal to, we have got this one. Now we have to divide this polynomial by x minus 2. Okay. Now divide and tell the answer. On dividing x cube minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2, we get. Okay. Now divide and say the answer. Okay. So x cube minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 2. Okay. We have to divide by x minus 2. Same, you follow the steps here. So first step is we have to take the first term of dividend and divisor. So x cube, x cancel, we get x square. So by this x square, we have to multiply the total divisor. So x square into x minus 2. So what we get here, x square into x x cube minus x square into 2x square. So by x square we are multiplying. So x square right in the quotient and the result is x cube minus 2x square. Okay, subtract it. Symbols will be changed. Here plus x cube becomes minus x cube. Here minus symbol becomes plus. So here plus x cube minus x cube get cancelled. Now see here minus 3x square plus 2x square. So how much we get? Minus x square. Subtraction is completed. So after completing subtraction, immediately we have to take the next term here. Okay. So that is plus 3x. So take here plus 3x. Now first step is completed. Okay children. Now enter into second step. Okay. So in this second step, now this is the dividend. Now take the first term of dividend, that is minus x square. And the first term of divisor is x. So x square, x cancel. And up one more x will be. Minus symbol also is there, we get minus x. Okay. So now this, by this minus x, we have to multiply the total divisor, that is x minus 2. So minus x into x, minus x square, minus into minus plus x into 2, 2x. So we are multiplying by minus x. Okay. So this minus x right in the quotient. This minus x right in the quotient. And what result we have got? We have got minus x square plus 2x we have got. Okay. Now subtract it. So when we subtract it, the symbols will be changed. Here minus symbol becomes plus. Already some students have done. They are showing very good. Niharika and Archana. So very good Niharika and Archana. Good job. And here plus symbol becomes minus. Okay. So now here plus x square minus x square get cancelled. Now see here 3x minus 2x. We get 1x. Okay. Subtraction is completed. So after completing subtraction, immediately we have to take the next term here. That is minus 2. Okay. Take out. And second step also completed. Now enter into third step. Again same process. In third step, we have to take the first term of dividend, that is x. This is the dividend now. The first term of dividend is x. And the first term of divisor is also x. So x cancel. We get 1. So by this 1, we have to multiply the total divisor. So 1 into what is the divisor? X minus 2. So we all know that 1 into x minus 2, we get x minus 2 only. So by 1, we are multiplying. So this plus 1 right in the quotient. And what we have got result? We have got x minus 2. Now subtract them. Here plus symbol becomes minus. And here minus symbol becomes plus. So here plus x minus x cancel. And here also plus 2 minus 2 cancel. So we got remainder 0. And we can stop the division here. Okay. So now what quotient we have got? That quotient only, the g of x. So therefore, g of x is equal to. So what we have got quotient? We got quotient x square minus x plus 1. Okay. So this is the g of x. So therefore, g of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1 is the g of x. Okay, children, it is also very important problem. So be perfect. Again, one more bit is there. That one more bit is homework. Same as this. You do that. Okay. So the chapter is completed. So in the next class, we will